Hello, little friend. Have you ever wondered, what if trees could talk? Today, we are going to explore nature together. Trees, birds, and flowers are all our friends. Did you know? Trees give us clean air, flowers make bees happy, and animals love to play in the woods. But sometimes, nature feels sad. People throw trash, water goes to waste, and animals get scared. But don't worry, you can help nature. Always throw trash in a bin, save water, and be kind to animals. Remember, when nature is happy, we are happy too. Let's love and protect our world together. You are amazing.